My brother had the GTO.
Here we got a 32 Ford 3-window coupe. Now it's the same type of 3-window coupe you had in American Graffiti, but not exactly the same. But you know, it's very. This is cool.
A guy with a camera.
Yeah.
You don't see these anymore.
Really?
No, most of the people have the phone.
Do you get the what?
But your phones.
I got a phone too. The phone works better than the camera.
You're actually recording with that.
Yeah.
Cool. This is a beauty. I had a 34 Ford as a kid.
Yeah. The Oldsmobile engine's the one to have in it. I like the Cadillac air cleaner.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Really?
Cadillac air cleaner.
You must know a lot about cars.
No, I know some here and there. But I know they put these in them after the flat, you know, because it's a 4-cylinder. They went to the flathead Ford V8 to hop up the 4-cylinder. Then when this came out, this was a lot faster than the flathead Ford V8. So they went, yeah. This was the old school ticket for like in the 50s. How they hopped these up.
And is that a Cadillac engine or
No, it's Oldsmobile engine, but it's an Rocket 88 engine.
Oh,
but it
okay,
means faster than a flathead Ford V8. This came with a 4-cylinder, and they went to the V8. And then they said, "Oh, we got the Olds is faster than a flathead Ford V8." This was the ticket. So this is like old school all the way. It's an American Graffiti car basically, except I think American Graffiti car had a 327 Chevy in it.
Yeah, mine, when I bought it, it was a 327 with 6 deuces on it.
You mean six deuces?
6.
Did you have 6-cylinder?
Strong. No, it was a 327. No, it was a 283, I'm sorry. But it was real old school hot rod. It had 6 2-barrel strong air time.
You said they got 3 deuces.
And I had a 4-deuce setup. Yeah, you're right. Usually it's 3, but this was 6.
Huh.
Often how, yeah, it was,
Suicide doors.
Oh yeah, mine. I can't tell you how many times I had to put latches on them. I'd hit a bump. Open.
Yeah. Deadbolt, right?
Yes, that's right.
It's nice wheels, chrome reverse. This was your American Graffiti car, basically, really. Pretty damn, I mean, it's not the exact one, but it's very close. I mean, it's a 3-window, 32 Ford 3-window coupe. An Oldsmobile engine would be more correct for this car anyway than 327 Chevy. And you got the turn signals up there on the top of the thing, you know. You know, I wish these things didn't go into the stratosphere. These are the cheap way to go. Before. Why can't they just make a steel body for these damn things dirt cheap? Like make the whole car instead of these stupid kids. You know, just look at. I guess it's because of patents and litigation or something. Maybe I don't know.